Okay, example 1. Two properly insulated uniform rods D and E makes thermal contact at one end, which is this end. So the cross-sectional areas of both rods are the same, meaning AD is equal to AE. So the rods are in steady condition. So the steady condition means, yeah, dt along these two rods will be the same. Okay, so determine the temperature gradient along rod D, and then the temperature T at the free end of the rod E, and lastly sketch and label a graph to show the variation of temperature with distance along D and E. So I forgot to write one information, which is at this end. This should be 80 degrees Celsius. I'll add them later for your notes. So the temperature gradient along rod D, so we did this dt over x for rod D. This is at point contact. So let me label them. So this is, no, let me use this. This is TDE. This is TD. This is just T lah, yang ujung tu. Okay, so final is TDE minus TD over x, which is 20 centimeter. This one XD lah. XD. So if for your case, make sure to extract the information dulu lah, supaya you're not confused as to what to write for each of these variable lah. Okay, so this is 80 minus 100 divide by 0.2, then you'll get the temperature gradient to be equal to negative 100 degrees Celsius per meter. Okay, and then question 2, we are looking for the value of T. So both of the rods are in steady condition, so we can state that dq, the rate of heat flow for rod D, is equal to the rate of heat flow for rod E. Okay, so the formula is negative K. A is the same for both rods, so A dt over x untuk D, then negative K E on A, and then dt over x for rod E, and then the negative and the A will be cancelled, so KD dt over x D equal to KE. This one is T minus 80 over 0.4. So rearrange this, and then for this one, this is equal to negative 100. So you should get the value of T to be equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Right? And then lastly, for the graph, it is the same as the one shown in lag composite metal bar. So let me just draw this graph. So something like this. Then you'll have, this is for rod D, and then another one for rod E lah. Okay, so for rod E, something like this. Boleh lah tu. Okay, so ni garisan dia dash line lah, jangan guna solid line. Okay, so this is for here, and then this is for here lah. Manit lah. Okay, so label them. This is temperature in degrees Celsius, and then this is length in meter. So this is 0.2. So this is 0.2. This is 0.4. This is 100. This is 80, and then this is 20. Right? So that is the solution for example number 1.